show. Now we're going.
There they go.
Too bad I can't spend any more time in Grapevine.
Sure gonna miss coming to Grapevine.
You head to the big cattle trail?
Kind of hard.
You from around these parts?
Kinda.
Drink?
Nat bears the name. Cattle punching's my game.
Really, Major?
What brings you to town, really, Major?
Grapes.
Grapes. Like wine.
Got a train to catch.
You going to the big cattle and mule auction? Any train in particular?
The one that's headed in town now.
So you mean this next train coming to the Cotton Belt Depot?
Yeah, what's it to you?
So is it to the big cattle and mule auction?
Might be.
Why the mystery? Either you're catching this next train or not.
Like I said, what's it to you?
I think you're up to no good.
Sounds like maybe it's you that's up to no good, cowboy.
If you're thinking what I think you're thinking, you better go
But you know what's on that train. And I tell you, that cash box is my ticket out of the county.
I knew it. You're gonna rob that train. That's my train. You no good snake. Willie, you better hit the boardwalk. I'm calling you down.
Now hold on. Tell you what, son. You can have tomorrow's train.
Great. After you hold up the train and everybody's looking for the mysterious outlaw who done it, I'll just stand around looking suspicious.
Son, put down the pistol. You're gonna have the whole town watching and getting nervous.
Not the whole town, just some folks across the street. And they seem to be more entertained than nervous.
Now, if it's really necessary, I'm sure we can work something out that's fair and equitable.
I've got fair and equitable burning a hole in my holster.
You start a ruckus and neither one of us gets what we want today. We've got some time while they take on water and they load the train. Now, the way I see it, they might be expecting a train robbery.
There's not two train robbers. You sly old coot, and then we split the money?
70-50.
Are you out of your mind?
Fine, 60-40.
70-30. It's my town and my train.
This is going to be my last robbery, man, and I'm heading south to the coast.
Well, this is my only robbery, and I'm gonna buy a ranch, settle down, raise some cattle.
Listen, Greenhorn, it's 50-50 or I'm taking it all.
70-30 or I'm taking you down.
You're a horse thief, and a bullet is best for you.
Back off and go to shooting.
Didn't need to end this way. Can't believe you could shoot straight enough to hit me.
I only grazed your shoulder. You wouldn't be John if I was a better shooter.
Don't brag. Train please. We both lost here today.
What about my ranch?
Ain't no ranch. Ain't no Gulf of Mexico neither.
There'll be another one.
No, kid. We need to give up train robbing while we're both still alive. Train robbing doesn't pay.